back to my channel. I am currently getting ready for the day. I really don't have much going on today. I do have an errand that I need to run, but other than that, I'm pretty much just gonna be editing. It's such a gloomy day outside, which I'm a little bit bummed about because it's been so warm and sunny recently. So I'm sorry if the lighting is weird. Also, this is my first time filming doing my makeup at my new vanity. If you haven't seen the video where I completely redid my vanity, go watch it. I just wish you guys could see what I'm looking at while I'm doing my makeup because I love my vanity so much. Also, something I'm so excited about is that Olivia Rodrigo's new album comes out soon. I actually don't know when at the time that I'm filming this. She hasn't announced anything. Basically, the last thing that happened was the pink wall that says love in LA. I do love that the album is going to be pink, but I am so curious about what it's going to be called. I feel like there's so many theories going around and I don't know what I believe. I feel like she's not going to do something predictable. All I know is I'm going to love whatever it is because she is just so smart and talented. And I really hope that by the time this video comes out, I don't know when this is going up actually, but I hope we have more info. I'm using one of Rhode's spring lip tints on my lips. This is Pretzel. This one smells really good and it has this like subtle shimmer that's so pretty. Okay, we are done with my makeup. Let's get changed. Okay, so I need to run an errand right now, but before I go, I have something that I want to open. I got a new camera. I don't have anything like this one and I've been wanting this type of camera for a while. So this is what I got. It's the Extra Auto, I'm not sure. This is basically a dupe for the DJI Nano, I think is what it's called. I don't know what the situation is. I've heard people saying the Extra is just DJI, just the US version of it. I don't really know, but I wanted to try out this type of camera. I wasn't sure how much I was going to use it, so I didn't want to spend too much money on it. Plus I was looking up the comparison videos between the DJI and this one, and I kind of liked this footage better. But here is the camera right here. It also comes with a bunch of little attachments, but I wanted to try this out today. I actually don't fully know how to use it yet, but basically this is what the camera looks like. This is the actual camera, and then this one is basically the viewfinder, but they are detachable. It's basically like an action camera. I just thought this would be really convenient to have, and I've always wanted to try out these tiny little baby cameras. I don't even know how to turn this on. Oh, 2046. It thinks we're in 2046. Oh, this is loud. We're gonna turn that sound off immediately. Oh, you guys, this is crazy. Wait, I can show you what the camera is looking at. Isn't this so cool? I'm so excited to use this. Okay, I need to get a little case for it. Actually, I think it comes with one. It comes with this little suction mount. You can change the angle, and then you can also just mount it to the camera alone and have the screen with you. Came with a little protective case. Let's actually put this on. Oh, of course. I was gonna say, let's put this on right now before anything happens and I drop it. Okay, it also comes with this little lanyard that has a magnet on it. So you can put this under your shirt and then just attach the camera to it. And you can wear the camera. This is crazy. I'm really curious to see what it's like recording in the car with this. So let's go to the shoe repair store. I have some boots that I need to get fixed because I think the heel of it came off at some point. I thrifted them a while ago and they're just a perfect fit. I'll show you guys, but they're like brown boots that go up to like here. And I feel like it's hard as a short person to find boots that don't go like up to my knee and look super awkward, and those boots are perfect, but I can't really walk in them because there's no like traction on one of the shoes. So we're gonna see if they can fix them. I literally forgot I was recording. Okay, that was super easy. I had never been there before, but they will be ready in a couple days. I should have brought them in earlier because I have an event on Wednesday that I would love to wear them for. I don't know why I didn't even think about it, but here's what the camera looks like and sounds like. I'm recording in 1080 right now. It can also do 4K, which I will try at some point, but I don't want to waste storage right now. This was really the only errand I needed to run today. I do want to focus on editing for the majority of the day. Oh, another thing that I want to do today is possibly my nails. I do want to make a whole spring set. I don't know if you guys saw my spring reset, but I pinned some nails on my Pinterest board that I really want to try to recreate. So we might do that today. We'll see how much editing I can get done first because the nails are going to take a long time. But let's go home and get to work. Okay, I just did some editing. I was actually able to get a lot done. Also, I forgot to say this earlier, but this weekend I did a hair gloss at home, and filming this clip just reminded me because I was like, my hair looks so dark. I felt like the toner had faded and it was just getting a little bit brassy, and I wanted it to be a bit closer to my natural color. This is the gloss that I used. I did the shade Rich Brunette and I really like it. I knew I didn't need like a huge change or anything, so I figured I would just try it at home instead of making a hair appointment, and I'm so glad I did because I love how it turned out and now I know it's so easy to do at home. I do want to go back in though at some point for a haircut. I feel like I need a bit of a trim. Anyways, I actually wanted to try on an outfit right now. I have an event on Wednesday in LA and it's for a candle brand. They're releasing a new fragrance and it's like a vanilla one. So I'm very excited about that. And because it's vanilla, I kind of wanted to do like a white themed outfit. I'm just now realizing these aren't really the exact same shade, but that's okay. The vision I had in mind was this little brandy top. It's like this pointel dainty white top with these Princess Polly white shorts. But I was thinking that with like a belt to kind of break up the white and then some cute boots. I wish I had pink ones of these. I feel like that would be so cute. This could totally just be something that looks good in my head and not actually on. So let's try it. Okay, I'm leaning towards it only worked in my head. It's not bad at all, but it's not great. Now that these are on, I feel like I can tell more that they're different colors. I tried it on with this Coach bag because I feel like this matches the boots and the belt. But I feel like this is a no, which means I have no idea what I'm gonna wear. Okay guys, I think we found the outfit. I did try on several others, but for some reason they all just looked so bad. Nothing was working together. This outfit is very simple. This top is from Free People. It is so gorgeous. I actually bought this for a different event probably like a month ago and didn't end up wearing it for it, so it worked out perfectly. And then these Addicted jeans, and then to kind of class it up a little bit, I'm wearing these heels. I love these so much. These are Jeffrey Campbell. I've definitely worn this exact outfit formula to an event before, but it just works and it's so cute and I feel like the heels make it so classy. But to make it a bit more interesting, I'm gonna wear this adorable patchwork Coach bag. I am so obsessed with this bag. My friend thrifted this bag and then gave it to me, which is so nice of her, and I will cherish this bag until I die because it is so cute. And I feel like this with the little kitten heels, the bag and the shoes really make this outfit very casual, but I don't think it needs to be fancy at all. So this is what we're wearing, and I'm glad that I figured this out now because I'm gonna have to leave pretty early to drive to LA for the event. Maybe I'll spice it up with some cute jewelry too. But now it's time to work on the nails. I realized the last thing I vlogged was me making the nails, and I didn't show a reveal because I thought the next clip was gonna be me with the nails on. But I got a text last night that my shoes are ready to pick up, which I was not expecting. He said it was gonna take a couple days, and I actually wasn't planning on vlogging today because I just have a busy day. But my shoes are ready, so before the busy day starts, we're picking those up. And then tonight I'm gonna put on the nails and I'll show you guys. Also, I've been drinking these Bloom Crisp Apple energy drinks and they're so good. They literally just taste like apple juice. It doesn't taste artificial to me at all. Anyways, let's go inside and get my shoes. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Okay, we got the boots. They look so good. I mean, they really just have heels now. There's nothing that crazy about them, but they look great and now I can actually wear them. Aren't they so cute? I think these are Ralph Lauren. They look like riding boots. I don't know anything about riding horses really, but I'm so excited to be able to wear those again. Guys, I'm obsessed with my nails. I can't stop staring at them. It's the next morning and I'm about to leave for the event. I need to be leaving within like 10 minutes, so I'm really hoping my heatless curls turn out good and I don't have to like touch them up. So let's find out. This is promising. Okay, I am so happy with how these came out. If I wanted to be picky, I could definitely find a couple pieces that needed to be touched up, especially like some of the pieces underneath here. Like I had some little strands that were like falling out of the top that didn't really curl. They're blending in totally fine. So I think I'm just gonna leave it. Also, once again, my hair feels so dark. I feel like the curls are really bringing out like the shine that the gloss added. Like, oh my gosh. I'm so glad that my hair turned out. Okay, now I am just gonna put on jewelry and my jeans. I'm gonna put on some sneakers for the drive, but I need to grab my heels. I have my Bloom. Oh, I also need to pack my purse and switch over all my stuff. But other than that, we are ready to go. I'm running late. Oh gosh. Okay, now we're in a rush. Okay guys, we are here. Literally shaky from that drive. Maybe the energy drink. Actually, there is like hardly any gone, so I don't think it's that. Driving in LA can just be very stressful. Now I'm just waiting for Olivia to get here. I don't think I said I'm going with my friend Olivia, who also has a YouTube channel. I love her and her videos. So I'm just waiting for her to get here right now. I brought my brush, so I'm gonna brush my hair. I usually bring a mini one, but I did not have time to go looking for it. I really hope this isn't taking out all of my curls right now. Ooh. That kind of did. I still feel like it looks better though. I would rather have smooth, wavy hair than very obviously tangled, curled hair. My hair gets tangled so easily. I think we're ready. Olivia should be here any minute now. Oh, I did bring my powder puff. I thought I forgot it in another purse. Okay, she just parked. I'm gonna get my heels on and then we'll go inside. Guys, I cannot believe that my hair completely forgot to show you guys, but we got custom embroidered pillowcases. Oh, this is so cute. I just got my name on it in this cream color, and I feel like it's so subtle and chic. But let's go through what we got in the bag. Got some slippers. I'm so excited to try this. It's the Ilia face milk. We have some matches. I believe this is the candle. Yes. You guys, this smells so good. Plum butter, whipped vanilla, praline mousse, and skin musk. And then we have another candle, just in a bigger size. Thank you so much to voluspa for having me. That event was so cute. But I think I'm just gonna be editing and cleaning up for the rest of the day. Hey you guys, I cannot remember the last thing that I vlogged. This was supposed to be a week in my life, but it's kind of just turning into bits of 2 weeks in my life. But I wanted to kind of just catch you guys up. I feel like I've barely filmed it all over the past week or so, and I feel like this is a good time to remind you guys that social media is a highlight reel. I cannot even remember like what was in this video, but I'm sure it seemed like a completely normal video and a good week in my life, and it was, but I was also struggling so much mentally, and I was really only vlogging in the moments where I felt very good. There's just a lot going on right now. We have some family health stuff going on. Everything is looking better now, but I am gonna go help with a family member in a couple days. So today I've kind of just been getting ready to leave. It's just been chaotic, and I also just wanted to update you guys because my uploading schedule is probably going to be very random until further notice. I'm obviously gonna try to do my best and upload as much as I can, but I don't know what that's gonna look like, or if I'm gonna stick to certain days or just have random uploads. I don't know. Just bear with me, and thank you for understanding. Anyways, the reason I was getting ready is because I have a hair appointment right now. I'm just going in for a haircut. I haven't gotten a trim in quite some time. I don't want that much taken off, probably like an inch, maybe 2. I don't know. I feel like my ends aren't that bad, but I definitely do need a trim. Then I also want to get some layers. My layers have grown out. I kind of want to do like shorter layers than I usually do. I really want to be able to get that like blowout look. That's my favorite hairstyle, but I can't really do it that well with long hair that's all pretty much one length. I do have some face framing pieces, but that's about it. I swear I'm always going back and forth between wanting to grow out my hair really long and have it all be one length because I don't want to deal with layers, and then I get to that point and I miss my layers. So that's the stage we're at right now. But I am excited to have it cut and have it just feel healthier, and it'll just be easier to get the style that I want. So my appointment is in 40 minutes. I actually am ready way ahead of time. I'm gonna get back to editing. This morning I've been really productive. I cleaned a ton and I'm almost done editing a video, so I'm gonna try and see how much more I can get done before I have to go. Okay, you guys, my hair is done. The cut is so cute. I swear it looks lighter too, but we didn't do anything to the color. I think the gloss that I did is just fading out. I did the shorter layers. My hair's already kind of like lost the little curl from the blowout, so don't mind that, but I do still feel like it has way more like shape and body and movement than it would when it was just completely long. So I'm very happy with it. Hi everyone. I don't think I said this yet. Gosh, it is so bright, but I am actually going to LA right now because Apple just released their AirPods Max 2, and they invited me to come to the Apple store at the Grove for like a personal shopping experience. I think I'm gonna get to like learn about the new features and possibly customize a new pair, which is so crazy. I'm so excited. Anytime I get to do something with Apple, it is just always such a good time. They have the nicest team and they're always so thoughtful. So I'm so grateful to have been invited to do this. So that's what we're doing now. And then immediately after, I am driving to go see a family member. They're doing a lot better, but they just need some help. Anyways, I cannot get over how pretty this drive is right now. I'll see you guys when I get there. so fun. I went to a couple stores and the timing was actually perfect. I was like done shopping right when it was time to head to the Apple store, and they showed me a ton of the new features for the headphones. Everything was so convenient. I would genuinely use every single one of the features. I feel like sometimes there's cool updates, but maybe they're just things I wouldn't use super often. I feel like with all the updates, I would actually use them. There's so many cool controls with the noise cancellation or like conversation awareness, where it'll turn down your volume if it can tell that you're like talking to someone, and control your camera with them by like pressing the button as like a little self timer. That is so cool and convenient. Oh, and they improved the microphone quality too. So if you're recording with your headphones on, it's gonna sound good. And there's like a voice isolation feature too, so you can kind of get rid of all the background noise and stuff. It's so cool. And the sound quality was obviously really great. And then I got to decorate them. There was an artist there that had made all of these cool stickers that you can put on your headphones, which I think is so awesome. You guys will probably have seen the clip of what my headphones looked like finished. They're in the trunk right now, or else I would show you. But they're so cute. Thank you so much to Apple for letting me try them out. I'm so excited. And now I have another road trip coming up, so I might just eat a snack right here before I start driving. But yeah, this video was all over the place. If you made it this far, thank you. Again, I'm so sorry about the weird uploading schedule. I obviously am trying my best and will try to get it back to normal as soon as I can. And yeah, thank you guys again for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye.